now, yeah, mile an hour NET.
What was the record before on stock manifold?
Pretty sure Eric Lansberg was 81 and 173.
And you guys just did what?
80 at 175. So we're trying to go into the sevens. And it's only rear-wheel drive.
Yeah. Really?
Their car stuck in rear wheel.
Car stuck in rear wheel. So.
Oh, it's broken. You didn't do that on purpose.
No. It's the ETS unit, I guess.
Oh, you should show everyone the nitrous. A bunch of people are saying it's on nitrous, so what better time to show everyone it's not on nitrous?
Yeah, it's not on nitrous.
How much power? What's the setup on the car?
Yeah, it's built by Command. He's right here if you want to get him in here.
Absolutely. First of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
That's freaking awesome.
Appreciate it.
So you destroyed both the ET and the mile per hour record?
I mean, we want to do something that nobody's done before, and that's real hard in an industry like this because, you know, you got guys like Giddy and Rob Harper that are into the sixes by now, and it's pretty hard to catch up, especially being as small as we are, as young as we are. You know, we just don't have the finances to do it, so we figured we'd try to go after a stock manifold record, and we did it.
That's awesome. Are you guys hoping for a 7 by the end of the weekend?
We're trying to be the first car on the stock manifold in the 7. That's the goal.
That would that'd be crazy.
We put it on the dyno over at Titan Motorsports a couple days ago, and we got it done. It made some power. And
how much power does it make?
It made just over 1,300
on stock manifold.
Yep.
That's crazy, man.
Yep. So we put it on the Motec. We got traction control. It's actually in rear-wheel drive right now. We have
they said it's stuck in rear-wheel drive.
Yeah, we burnt out the front-wheel drive unit on the dyno. That was my fault. Sizing with the tires was wrong, so it's going, just blowing the tire off. So it's doing like 1.4s right now for 60 foot.
So GTRs get out the hole good because they're all-wheel drive. Yours is stuck in rear-wheel drive, and it just broke the stock manifold record.
It's pretty light, so it gets.
No, it's fine. You win. You win today. That's freaking awesome, man. Congratulations.
Thanks.
Yeah. Good luck in the eliminations, man.
Yeah. Hopefully we make it. We'll see.
That's freaking awesome.
Thanks. Appreciate it.
Yeah, absolutely. Excited. You just broke the record again.
I got scared. I thought we didn't win. You know? Paying attention to the other lane.
Well, it was by 100th, but you did break the record.
Nice.
There you go. What the? You just keep breaking the damn records, man.
We're not so excited.
Yeah. Rob's going in, I'll tell you that.
Hey, well, congrats again. This is getting old. I know this is getting old.
Same time every time.
Yeah. I have never seen a crew less excited to break a record again. You guys are, I just want a 7. It's like, yeah, no, I get it, but you guys just broke the record 3 times in a day, so that's pretty legit, I'd say.
Hopefully 4. Yeah, we'll see if we can go for 4. We're gonna put a jockey in and see if we can get it. Save a couple pounds. It's about 70 pounds lighter than I am, so.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
See if we can get it in there.
It just keeps making it pass. And like GTRs are very finicky, so I keep waiting for it to break up or something. No, it just keeps going.
It's this guy.
That's freaking awesome, man.
Yeah.
Congrats to you guys.
Thank you.
Hey, you guys couldn't try any harder. Seriously, this is ridiculous. Wow. All right, guys, you got to go for a 5th time to break the record today. Are you guys done? You good?
I don't think they will let us.
Okay.
Some other people some chances.
So just breaking record 4 times in a day, no big deal. With only rear-wheel drive, don't worry about it, guys. The car is yet to falter, which is crazy to me.
Don't jinx us.
No, I'm just saying, like, every single time it just makes a clean pass. It just gets faster and faster and faster. Hopefully tomorrow will be a 7-second car. All right, we'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, see you guys.
White so you can shop.
All right, Rob. What's the game plan today?
Turn it up.
Turn it up?
Yep, try to change the first number.
For our fans that don't know, you are the guy with Alpha Logic that you tune, drive, build the fastest, literally the
Quickest.
fastest, quickest
Not the fastest yet, but the quickest.
GTR in the world at a 685. And you're over here with the guys from Command just tuning on their car. And you actually drove it last night for the 800.
Yeah, a little weight reduction. I'm a little lighter than the guy that owns the car, so
Yeah.
it's just when you're racing next to someone, you gotta make small changes. You know, you don't want to get knocked out in eliminations because you're getting greedy for an ET.
Right.
So we're gonna try to do a run and test the tune so I can get a little greedy and see if it works. If it doesn't work, we'll go back to what we had and try to win the race.
Gotcha. Good luck to you, man.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Hey, congratulations.
Off the fucking trail.
Hey, congrats, man.
Thank you.
You didn't need no weight reduction. You got to turn it up a little bit. That's all.
I took a little bit out, but yeah, we turned it up. We weren't sure if it was gonna hold it, but
All
fuck
right,
it.
just to go everything again, this is a stock manifold car and it's stuck in rear-wheel drive right now because the front differential's broken.
Yeah, we broke the front diff on the. We didn't break the front diff. We wore out the front wheel drive clutch on the dyno.
So it's rear-wheel drive and you just broke. You're the first stock manifold car in the sevens.
Yep.
Ever.
Yep.
That's freaking awesome.
Yeah,
That's freaking
it's pretty,
awesome.
It's pretty exciting. Yeah, we weren't really. I mean, that was our goal, but you know how it is. First time out with the car, we didn't expect too much out of it. But we got stuff worked out. We've been down here for a week almost. We've been down here since Monday, so worked through some issues. We had the motor out of the car 2 days ago, fixing some stuff, and we got it figured out.
Awesome, man. Well, now you're on to, I guess, the eliminations again.
Yeah,
Well,
we're going to the semis.
Yeah, you got the monkey off your back, so now you can just have fun in the.
Yep. And now I really don't care what happens. So,
Awesome. Well, good luck to you.
thanks. Appreciate it.
So you're into the
Take some
finals.
plastic out of my mouth.
So you're into the finals. Who you racing?
This T1 car.
T1 car.
Yep.
And I think he's done an 808.
Yeah, he went 808 yesterday.
Nice.
And today I think he went the same number.
Nice. So you guys are both pretty. I mean, you got him beat by a couple tenths, but this car is just. Did you do anything? You guys do anything different with the tune-up or anything? You leave it pretty much the same.
We put something in it that it was either going to break it or go fast. So luckily it went fast. We'll see what happens this time.
Awesome. Good luck to you, man.
Thanks.
talked to you about beating the record 6 times. I mean, your luck ran out a little bit there.
Yeah,
what happened? You just didn't get up on boost, or?
I guess the transmission still sensed wheel speed because I was still rolling when I went to get on the anti-lag, or when I went to get on the chip, and it wouldn't go. So it was just sitting there at about like 3,000 RPM, no boost off the line, and had a 260, but there's no coming back from that.
That sucks. That sucks.
Yep.
But you still own the record by.
Yep. And we had another car that went to the finals in the stock turbo class and won. So
that's awesome, man.
Yep. Won on reaction time. The other car actually went quicker. So we're pretty happy about that too.
Well, congrats to the team for the whole weekend. That was awesome.
Yeah, we had a good time. We'll see you guys in Texas.
Absolutely. Good luck, man.
All right.